So you're about to go to the shop and get what you need for your infusions, whether it's flower or concentrates. What should you look for? First and foremost, I highly recommend looking for a shake product, like an ounce of shake or a half ounce of shake is the best way to go about it to get the best bang for your buck when you're infusing. It's already ground up, it's cheap, it's potent, and will get the job done. After that, I would recommend maybe something that's on sale. Shops often have a lot of sales going on. But even before that, I would say smalls are a good option. If you want to go smalls, I would say shake, smalls, and then maybe something that's on sale there too. Now, if you're looking at concentrates, concentrates can get pricey. If you want to do a nice live resin or rosin, go for that. Maybe grab something that's on sale a little bit. Doesn't need to be. But I would say the best concentrates, like best bang for your buck, are going to be Kief and Hash. These will give you a potent infusion that's going to give you that entourage effect, just like the flower and other concentrates. It's just a little better on your wallet if you can find some Kief, especially in some of these dispos at a great price point. So those are some little tips and tricks when you're going to the shop to find the best stuff possible. Of course, if you're a grower or you have that plug, you already know where to get the cheapest stuff for your homemade infusions and edibles. Just wanted to drop this to you guys real quick, and I hope you have a great fucking day.